Just walk it or?
Yeah.
Okay.
For your safety, the rope is slippery.
Alright. Step one, nailed it. No. We could have done the other one. I was like, I don't think we are. This is beautiful. You still look beautiful. I know what you meant. We could take pics if you want from right here, like of the waterfall. You'll have to cycle through it though. I think so. There should be something that lets us do that. Yeah, I do want to get like one pic with us with the waterfall in the back. Yeah, once we're like swimming and stuff. Are you swimming this time? No? It's just the two of us. And our guys. I feel like super warm from hiking, so I feel like it's going to feel so refreshing. I know. It would be cool just to like hike down this, you know? Oh yeah, it splits off. Yep. Okay.
I'm going to be heading down, right?
Alright.
Your fireman's layer. And sit down, watching marking, right?
Okay.
Hi guys, it's nice and simple guys. This is not that not challenging. It's not that steep. It's not like a 45-degree angle. It's not a big deal. Yeah, so basically, see what the other side way is. So, you. Hey guys, so this is only gonna get attached to a rescue figure.
Okay.
Okay, so with this device, Georgie, Romy will be judging you from down there, okay, for your permit and so forth. If you follow, he can easily prevent you by putting tension on the rope and stop you.
Okay.
Instant.
Yeah.
You're not gonna fall down. He can prevent you from going down, or he can prevent you from going sideways and so forth.
Right.
So for you to prevent that, I want you to keep apart our back.
Okay.
When we do this, you're gonna be swinging along.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the position. Right hand goes behind your butt here. Left hand goes to nothing basically. Just here.
Just the guide?
Yeah, guide. So far. Okay, so this hand is doing the friction. The main thing here is having all this equipment is trusting it and lean back.
Yep.
When I mean lean back, it's not doing this. It's putting your body weight.
Yep.
Body weight.
We know how to do
Okay?
that.
That's everybody's mistake. Not putting the body weight. Yesterday I was in National. My guess they had a hard time because they were fearless.
Yeah.
Trying to do that. They were very tired.
Yeah.
That's everybody's thing.
Yeah.
So just your foot and lean back. When you lean back, it's easier to feel your root. You know it feels
Yeah.
when you're not leaning back.
Right.
When I'm putting the body weight, it feels. Alright? Okay? Feet apart. Right hand behind your butt. That's basically more than likely a whole purpose thing. Very short steps. Very short steps.
Alright.
Don't take long steps. You take that long step.
Slip.
Yeah. Very short steps, short steps. If you find some crevices like this, don't take that step down. That's the wrong way to do it. Keep the rope. Then up. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, nice and simple. 45-degree angle. Not too much. Yeah. Like I said, this is not a hardcore one.
Yeah.
I like to start, you know. I don't want a hardcore one. Yeah.
It's a good starter.
Yeah, good starting. I don't really know that anymore. Alright, so what should we go across? Both ropes? You're first.
It's like your bun workout class. Big squats. You got it, babe. Just keep sitting back. Good job, sweetie. You got it, Chris.
apart.
Yeah.
That's the whole purpose you're going sideways like that.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
If you notice, very important. Okay?
All right.
You can proceed. Okay. Step all the way down. Step down. Good.
Couple slippery
Yeah,
stuff.
very slippery, man.
Yeah. It was awesome.
Not intense. A lot of upper bodies of
Yeah.
Woo! You want to be careful. You can go that way.
Okay. Oh yeah. All right, we did it.
There we go, man.
Woo.
You guys like the dumper?
I do.